Welcome back. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you about important plugins, which is very important for your website. So, for that, I will go to plugins first of all, then I will go to add new plugins. So, first of all, that is spam. If you will go to the spam, so this is the spam. There you will get lots of you know software or plugins, but I will recommend this word fans security. So you can just click on install, and it has been installed. I need to click on activate, but let me install more. And there is contact form, so you can just install the contact form 7, this one. So I'm going to install all of one, then I will activate all of together. Now I will install one up updraft. So these are very important plugins. Spam, for the spam protection. The WordFans software is very good. You can install it so that there will be no spam on your website. So this is the updraft, which is used for backup. So it will keep taking the backup of your website. You can set the limits like whenever you want to take the backup. So, and next is some cache. I think in my system lightspeed cache is already activated. So yeah, this is active, but uh, yeah, that's fine. But I use this one. This is very good, so I will deactivate this, and then I will install this. And there is one more. So there's a plugin that is for, this is talk to. This is basically bot, so to chat with the visitors. It will appear over here. I will tell you. Either you can install this one, and there is another option to chat with WhatsApp. So that will link to your WhatsApp, and anyone can come to your website, so he can directly chat with you using WhatsApp. So let me check the name of that. And this is Yoast SEO. This is also very important plugin for the search engine optimization. And so let me check the name of that plugin. I will go to expertsteachers.com, and that website is using that option to chat with anyone. So that comes over here, a pop-up to directly interact with the owner of the website. So this is the one. So it's a join.chat. So let me search with join.chat. Okay, yeah, this is one. uh, so it has very good rating. So either you can use, this is for this option: WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, phone call. So either you can use this one, or you can use talk to. If you don't want to use WhatsApp, Messenger, simply you can use automatic bot, then you can go for talk to, which I just installed. Otherwise you can just go for this join chat if you want WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, phone call. Okay, so this is much better. So I'm just installing this one because customer can directly message you on your WhatsApp number through this, and that is really very fast. So let me, I have installed some plugin and SEO security and spam I have done. So okay, these are fine. So if there will be any missing plugin, I will let you know. So this is the contact form. I need to activate it. This is join chat. Okay, I am going to select it. And payment plugin. Okay, this is not talk to. I will delete it. And this is the updraft and Yoast SEO. This is I need to activate word fans. So I will activate all of these first of all. So basically this needs an license. This is free software, but you just need to enter your email to get an word fence license. So if you will open it in new window, so it will ask your email ID only. Otherwise it is free. You don't need to make any payment. But this is very good. Word fence, it protects you from the spam or uh, like hacking of your website. It prevents that. So here you can see for license you just need to enter your email address. This is free. You can use this option, and if I will click on that, so it will ask for an email ID. Okay, so this is for the 30 days protection. So okay, I need to click on this and I need to enter my email ID, and I will select this no, and I will enter email address and I will click on register. Then it will give me the license. Okay, but I'm not doing it right now because this is, I will change all of the website to some real estate website. This is I'm just using to teach you or tell you about like how to use the WordPress on your website. So this is talk to. I need to delete this one. So now you have installed, like this is the contact form, this is the setting. So you just need to go to setting, and so here this is the contact form one. I will just copy this short code and I will paste in the contact form. So, and if you can just go to the setting of this contact form 7 if you want to make some changes to the contact form. If you want to add some fields or some, if you need to make some any changes, you can just go to the contact form 7. It will be somewhere. This is the contact forms and this is the add new integration. You can also add new. Okay, if you want to create your own contact form, but I am just going to contact form page and I will paste this code. So this is the contact us page. I'm just going to click on edit and I will add the shortcode to this page so that contact form So my site is uh, okay. So this is the contact us page. I just need to click on this plus sign. So let me just get it done. The page is still getting refresh. So I'm just going to click on this plus symbol and I will select the short code. I will search for it, and this is the short code. I will paste the contact form over here, and after that I will click on save. I will I'm clicking on save button. So it will display a simple contact form page on my contact us page. Here you can see. So its formatting is not good because I need to make some changes. I need to change the template of my page. So for that, what I need to do is I will see the template, which template it is using. It might be using default template or Elementor full width. So I will go to page, and so this is showing Elementor full width, but I don't need this. So I will just use the default template to make it working fine, and I have done that. Now I will refresh the page. So here you can see this is the form, which is looking much better, but it can still be nice. So basically I have done through using simple WordPress editor. If I will do with Elementor, it can be much better. Okay, let me refresh this page once again to see. Okay, this is fine. Okay, and much better because there's nothing else on the page. So with the use of Elementor, if I will use the grid option or divider option, so I can customize the size of this form. Okay, but I think you can also do that. uh, uh, if you will see my upcoming videos, you will be able to do that. Okay, and so this is the contact us page, and I will enter it later. And so these are the, but I have installed the plugins. I need to make the settings so that these plugins will work correctly. Like so basically in the joint chat, I need to enter my WhatsApp number as an example, so that I will be able to receive messages, WhatsApp messages on my phone number. So from their settings, this is the light speed cache setting. I need to go to settings and enable it. And this is basically I'm facing some issue with the Stripe plugins. This is the issue, so I'm just going to delete. That's why my this it's running very slow. The page and website is running very slow. There's some issue with the plugin right now. So and updraft. Okay, I'm just going to setting, and I'm just, so this is the backup. If you want to take the backup, you can take it now, and you can just go to the setting. So whenever you want to take the backups, how frequently you want to take the backup of your website. So this is manual, and schedule and detail this menu backups retain. So there will be an option to I need to check. So basically here you can see this is the option to change any of the default setting of what is backed up. Okay, to make a backup, please. Okay, first of all I need to take a backup of my website. And okay, I'm going to setting. So this is the setting, files, backup, schedule. So here you can see every 2 hours, or okay, let me do it for every 8 hours. And this is also I am doing for every 8 hours, so it will take the backup automatically after 8 hours. After every 8 hours it will take the backup. So I'm just clicking on saving. So these settings you need to do after installing the plugin for every plugin. Okay, so that it will work. And let me go to the plugins again. So like this you can install the plugins, and these are important plugins. So so there's one more plugin. So for the safety of these, like for the setting of these two plugins, I will cover that in my upcoming videos. Okay, and okay, whatever the settings remain left for the plugins, I will cover in the next video. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.